This brand is from Unitary Products Group, which is a part of Johnson Controls, but they are only sold through their factory authorized dealer network. The S1 Steam 8000T01 can be used with either 120 or 240 volt power and provides an 11.5 or 23.3 gallon per day capacity based on the voltage supplied. They come with a basic mechanical control instead of an automatic control that varies the set point based on the outdoor temperature. The guarantee on the units is not as good as some of the other brands. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.